This all-wheel drive 2019 Prius hybrid looks great in classic silver with an aerodynamic design, LED headlights, tinted glass, and 15-inch alloy wheels. From the back, the Prius features color-matched mirrors and chrome door handles, a shark fin antenna, blue accented hybrid emblems, a rear windshield wiper, and LED taillights. Opening the hatch reveals a spacious carpeted cargo bay that includes a retractable security cover. From the driver's side, the Prius's streamlined look continues with a large raked front windshield, blacked out grille, and integrated front spoiler. Inside, the cabin feels roomy and modern. It features SofTex upholstery, automatic air conditioning, heated seats, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, tilt steering, an 11.6-inch AM, FM, XM radio display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, a backup camera, and an energy monitor. There's plenty of legroom for passengers in the back, along with a fold-down center armrest and 60/40 folding seat backs, allowing you to transport larger items or more luggage. Power comes from a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder gas-electric Synergy drivetrain mated to an automatic transmission. Gas prices are on the rise. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna.